Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're tired of ruining your good towels, removing your makeup, then I want to show you these makeup remover cloths. These are awesome. They are super, super soft microfiber cloths. This is the 13 by 13 inch size, and these are perfect for removing your makeup and protecting your good towels. So these are so, so soft. They feel amazing on the skin and they do a great job of removing makeup. And it's so nice that they are a designated makeup removing towel, and these are awesome. They are also reusable, so you don't have to use disposable makeup remover cloths. These can be easily washed. When you first get them, you do want to wash them first because they do have a little bit of residual dye in them, so they do bleed a little bit. But once you wash them, it is gone and you are good to go. So I really like these. I like that they have such a nice big size. So they really work great at covering your whole face and getting a really good clean. So if you're looking for some super soft, reusable makeup removing cloths, then I would definitely check out these, and that's my point of view.